Hello everyone! Welcome to my very first video ever on YouTube. Yay! I'm gonna edit that out. Hi everyone! Oh my god, this is so hard! I wanted to say hi. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Shelby and I wanted to introduce this channel. It's going to be about fun DIYs, crafts, home decor, maybe some beauty things, some guides, how-tos, general tutorials, mainly anything that I think you guys might like or find interesting and would want to learn more about or watch, or maybe you're bored and just want to pass the time. Welcome. Except you, because that's what I do on YouTube, so why not you guys too? If you have any constructive criticism or ideas on how I can make my videos better, content-wise, quality-wise, including this video, I would love to hear them down below because I don't actually know what I'm doing, so that would be lovely. Any constructive criticism you have or just ideas or suggestions, I would really love that and I'd really appreciate it. So please feel free to comment below, that would be great. If you are in the mood to click a button, feel free to click the subscribe button. I don't know why you would be, since this video is literally just an introduction, but if you are in such a mood, please do. I don't have any socials yet, but I will. I will link them all down in the description box if you guys want to check those out. That would be great. And I'm hoping to post at least once a week, definitely once a week, if not bi-weekly. That's my aim. But I also have a full-time job, so it might just be once a week. But I'm aiming for bi-weekly. I have a lot of really great ideas that I just want to do around my home, so hopefully they'll turn into good videos, and hopefully I see you soon. Bye for now.